Hello everyone! Today you'll find out how to integrate Topdesk and OBM in just a few clicks. This is possible with ZiggyOps, our agile no-code integration platform. Let's start by logging into the ZiggyOps UI. Once inside, our first step is to verify the connection to Topdesk and Micro Focus OBM. After the connections are verified, we go to the Configurator menu, select the integration template that we need, add our systems, and enable the integration. Each action has its separate configuration and can be customized to accommodate more requirements. Now that the integration is active, let's transfer an event from OBM to Topdesk and check the Topdesk entry directly. Synchronization for updates is also supported. Once the event in OBM has been resolved and closed, we can see that the related entity in Topdesk has also been closed. For more information, please request a demo from our website. Thank you for watching.